The Parsippany library system is not just books and media. We have a collection of objects for work, crafting, and play that you can borrow on our Parsippany website. Hover over Resources and drop down to the Library of Things. Here we have all of the items available for loan: crafting, games, and equipment. The items that are available at the Lake Hiawatha branch cannot be reserved through our new system. If you wish to borrow an item from that branch, you will be directed to the catalog. And there you can reserve your item. Items at the main branch may be reserved for 14 days through our new system. Check here to access the details of your selected item. It will give you the description, including general availability and terms of use. Borrow this object by clicking on the link, which takes you to a calendar showing when that item is available for loan. It's important to note that you must block out the same number of days that the item is available for loan. 14 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 days. Confirm your loan dates. And here you have it. Review your details. At this point, you can change your reservation or continue. Here, you will be asked for your library card number. Continue, and it will give you all of the details. You must click Terms of Use and Continue. This will tell you that your request has been received. And once it has been approved by the library system, you will receive an email confirmation, and you may then pick up your item where it has indicated it will be available, and you can check it out at the main desk.